How's it going, guys? My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you to a variety of herb that I really love. This is a variety that we use so much of in our kitchen, genuinely. Some of the flavours that we grow here at Urban Herbs we don't use every day. This is one that we would use at least several times a week. Just the smell makes me hungry. Do you want to know what it is? Today I'm going to be introducing you to the beautiful and amazing Barbeque Rosemary. So we're all familiar with rosemary, right? Beautiful flavour, so versatile, great with meat as a seasoning. For us it's a staple of barbecues, a staple of Sunday roasts, great with lamb, roast potatoes. Wow, imagine this with roast potatoes. Oh, roast potatoes, I could eat some of them right now. Let's cut to the chase. Why is Barbeque rosemary different to normal rosemary? Is it different? Yeah, it really is. So, Barbeque rosemary is the traditional rosemary flavour, but with a really cool smoky kick to it. How's that sounding? Because I think that sounds amazing. It smells really good too. The smoky flavour within Barbeque rosemary makes it so versatile and amazing, particularly on the summer barbecue. But you can also add this to stir fries and that smoky flavour comes across so well. This variety does what the best herbs do, I think. It adds a new take to your favourite dishes. You can use this plant in the same way as you would use your normal rosemary, but it's going to give a completely different flavour to those favourite dishes of yours. I always say that here in the UK, in the supermarket, you can actually get a brown sauce and you can get the wood smoked brown sauce, and that is the difference between your traditional rosemary and Barbeque rosemary. The more you cook with this, the more you're going to notice the difference, and you're going to really start to notice the options that this beautiful variety gives you. How do you grow Barbeque rosemary? Well, you're going to grow Barbeque rosemary in much the same way as you would grow normal rosemary. Check out our video somewhere up here about how you can grow rosemary and you can really level up your rosemary growing game. I'm also going to put above somewhere up here the link to how you can design your own culinary herb garden. So I think you'll find that really interesting too. It covers the basic. But back to this particular variety of rosemary, you're going to want to plant this somewhere sunny and free draining. Guys, that is so key. This variety wants to be really free draining. It doesn't want to be waterlogged, especially during those cold grey winter months. That is really important. I can't stress that enough. As this plant grows and hopefully thrives, you're going to want to prune this quite regularly. So you can see what I'm doing there. I'm just bunching it together and cutting the top third. Cut the top third on a really regular basis and it will thank you for that. Barbeque rosemary can be grown in a container, again with that free draining proviso. We love to plant Barbeque rosemary with other varieties that we're going to use a lot in our cooking, things like thyme, but also trailing rosemary to spill down. I think I'm going to put another link up here to the trailing rosemary because you guys are going to be really interested in that one too. Barbeque rosemary really is one of my favourite varieties. It's a variety that gets me excited when I see people's reaction to it. I really hope that you have enjoyed me introducing you to Barbeque rosemary today. If you have, please hit the like button. Check out the other videos that I linked somewhere above. Subscribe to our channel. It really does make a huge difference to a small channel like ours to get that feedback. It really does help us out. My name's Andy from Urban Herbs and I really hope that you've enjoyed me introducing you to the beautiful Barbeque rosemary. Wherever you're watching this in the world, guys, whenever you're watching this, I hope you're safe and well and you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. Until next time, see you later. Check out our video up here. For us, it's a staple of barbecues,